For what died the sons of Roisin? Was it fame? For what died the sons of Roisin? Was it fame? For what flowed Ireland's blood in rivers that began when Brian chased the Dane? And it did not cease, nor has not ceased, with the brave sons of 16. For what died the sons of Roisin? Was it fame? For what died the sons of Roisin? Was it greed? For what died the sons of Roisin? Was it greed? Was it greed that drove Wolfe Tone to a martyr's death in a cell of cold, wet stone? Will German, French, or Dutch inscribe the epitaph of Emmet? When we've sold enough of Ireland to be but strangers in it, for what died the sons of Roisin? Was it greed? To whom do we owe our allegiance today? To whom do we owe our allegiance today? To those brave men who fought and died that Roisin live again with pride, her sons at home to work and sing, her youth to dance and make her valleys ring, or the faceless men who for mark and the dollar betray her to the highest bidder? To whom do we owe our allegiance today? For what suffer our patriots today? For what suffer our patriots today? They have a language problem, so they say. How to write no trespass must grieve their heartful sore. We got rid of one strange language. Now we're faced with many, many more. For what suffer our patriots?